Now, also another way to create points with a B series panel is with a wireless point. So you saw earlier, I'm going to assign a wireless key fob to a user. This is where you set up wireless points. So yeah, we talked about that octo input module. Couldn't use those points ending in 9 or 0, but wireless could. So we could add wireless points. We could use those points that weren't available for our octo inputs. In this case, I set the source to wireless. And I could name this whatever it was. The stockroom entry door. And I can use profile 2, stockroom. Excuse me, area 2, the stockroom. And every time you set wireless as the source, it would require you then to put in the RFID number of that point. So that's something unique. When you get a wireless device, it'll come with an RFID number. It'll put it on a few different stickers in the box that came in. This is where you put in the RFID number of the device. And then with the Radeon wireless, you also have to tell it what type of device it is. Every time you set wireless as the source, it'll spit out door window contact. So Radeon, you have to click in there and change it to the appropriate device that you have. Whereas we mentioned earlier, another option for wireless is Innovonics. Global setting, one or the other. So if I was using Innovonics wireless, in that case, all I do is put in the RFID number. Don't have to additionally specify what type of device it is. Where I would put in the RFID number of the device. These can also be learned in from the keypad easily. And then obviously still need to give it a profile. So again, if this is another entry-exit door, I could just use profile 8, right, the one that was assigned to the main entry-exit door. Now, if I wanted it to work any different, wanted to have a longer entry delay time or something, I would want to use a different profile. So we're on larger panels, you have more profiles to work with. In this case, if I want this to work a little different than our other entry-exit door, I need to adjust an existing profile. And I'll just adjust profile 9. I'll name it stockroom door profile. Again, I'm just going to set it to an 8, right, just like our other entry-exit door. D, open or short in the arm state, nothing in the disarm state. So the fuzz on fault setting. We could adjust. But again, maybe I just I could have it chime the keypad, but if we just needed to give it a longer entry delay time or something, I could adjust that there. So again, if I wanted all the settings to be the same, I could use that same profile, profile 8, or you can create another one. And maybe just give it a longer entry delay time. You also have your wireless point supervision time set to 24 hours by default. So I would check in every minute or so, but if that amount of time went by, didn't get a check-in, that's when it would report as a missing point. So, and I go back to point assignments. And point 9 stockroom entry door, I could assign to that profile 9. That's setting up a wireless point